Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to enter apps. They should be right under biometrics and password. Now let's enter apps at the very top and pick those 4-digit icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got reset up preferences option, so let's tap, and here your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset. As you can see, this whole list blinked a little, flashed a little, which means that we just successfully reset all app preferences. So actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.